You get that plus, don't say mahalo.
We had to put the top up.
It's raining.
It started dumping on us. And after a little trial and error, we got the top figured out. Still got the back window stuck by the zipper, but you know, it's all good. She was totally said, jam it in there, baby. You can park it. And now I'm in the bushes. In the bushes.
You said do it.
Yeah, well, she listens quite well, I might add.
I think you'll fit.
Just pulled off on the side of the road, and now we're walking through the bamboo forest. I have no idea where we're heading. Following my baby through the mud. Rocky.
Oh, whoa.
We're going topless again. Don't get too close to the wall. Dirt roads just ended. Beautiful shot of the beach is no longer because we're sandwiched by vegetation. Somewhere in Maui, trying to get back. My baby was just driving up a cliff, like seriously, a cliff just as wide enough for the Jeep to get up, and had a sheer drop off, I don't know, a couple hundred feet on the first side.
See the water crash. As long as it works fast.
Got a spot to drive onto a rock beach, which we didn't do. Oh, here we go. Yeah. So you can see by the road conditions, I thought we were going to be on a nice little highway around the island and have all kinds of plenty of time to, you know, hang out. Well, we're now cruising down dirt roads and off-road.
Your sign script is, by the way, just to give you a warning, it's just like, all of a sudden you're driving and then it's dirt. So,
Yeah.
note to self, really glad we got a Jeep. Oh, there's no guardrails on this one.
Oh, yeah. Oh. There it goes.
It's kind of like being back in Costa Rica.
Except there's no...
Except there's still wood there. It's an actual concrete bridge. So, that's that.
We got that going for us. How many one-way bridges have we been across?
I honestly,
Or
I
one...
don't even know. I lost
Yeah.
count.
Yeah, it is.
5 miles an hour around here, and by the way, it's not average. 10, maybe here.
Yeah, and if you have a desire to cross like the Guinness Book of World Records for the most one-way bridges in a day, go to Maui. But plan for enough time to get your ass around the island.
We left at 8 o'clock this morning.
Yeah, it's now 4:16. Then we have dinner at 6. What have we done? What? That is the question. That's beautiful. Well, there's nothing to see now because every time I get a view, then we round a corner and you can't see anything. We're getting smoked out by the Mustang in front of us. What did we do? Oh, we went swimming. Yeah, the lagoon.
Oh yeah. Sorry, hold on. We're doing La Baja in Hawaii. I'm driving next
Mexico, Hawaii,
time. Bucket.
whatever.
Well, exit everywhere. Yeah, swimming in a lagoon, and then we sit on a bamboo cliff overseeing the valley.
Cliff, yeah.
Saw a dozen waterfalls
And then
watering holes.
And then I shook all the bamboo trees and made it pee all over you.
People were listening. This whole family was standing there as we were giggling coming out of the woods, and we forgot that there was people around.
That was the guy that, oh, yeah, and then Tisha decides to park the Jeep. I'm like, yeah, just slam it in there. She did. Absolutely made it. Chicken made it.
It's kind of like a training bus or something.
Yeah, I don't know what.
Whoa.
Oh, wow. Yeah, and then, oh, we ate barbecue.
Oh yeah, why was
I want to get a hot dog really bad.
I wanted to get pad thai, but we decided we're in Hawaii. You need to get Hawaiian barbecue. Oh, it is. It's like
It's raining.
it's raining or misty.
It's raining on us.
I apologize for the rough camera. He's really a good photographer. It's the driver's fault this time. Like trying to get us there because like dinner thing is at 6 and it's like 4:30 and you're on the other side of the island.
Every time we see something cool,
I speed past it so we can't get the shot.
there really is cool stuff out here. We'll never remember. Oh, it's gonna rain on us again. Oh, it's misty.
Yeah, we did.
All right, well, we're topless and getting wet.
And dusty. We're gonna show up to the dinner muddy.
Oh, yes.
Okay. So what happened was, yeah, let's just see. We'll talk about it over dinner.
Oh, pass him.
See,
Pass him! Look! Pass him!
Yeah, you hear that? It's not passable.
There's a jump. Oh, hell yeah. Paint job, roll car paint job. Babe, I got no insurance on the vehicle, I told you.
Nobody will ever know.
Last time we had a black Sharpie, we were gonna draw bullshit on the side of the signs, but this is pretty cool. Oh, nice. Oh, there's rainbows on the screen. Volcano crater. See it? Oh, there it is. Ah, right there. Now she's Mario Andretti hauling ass on these like race course paved roads. Oh, there's the lava beds where it all flowed out.
You'll see it better.
You messed with me?
No.
This is my before he broke his neck. Oh, there it is. She slams on the brake.
You can drive on. You would think of all places like Hawaii.
Yeah. Oh, this is. Topless, raining. Still trying to make it to a pizza dinner. I look like a peacock. Oh, we have our song. We got each other.
Aha.